I definitely was not recording.
Really? You fucking suck, Megan.
What's going on? Today we are going to be swapping out this Caravan ugly steering wheel that I hate more than Hillary Clinton. Please don't kill me. I'm getting rid of this thing. It's such an eyesore. I'm sick of looking at it. And I got this bad girl right here ready to go. Alcantara handles, black leather with a red alignment stripe and red stitching. 1,000 times better than this piece of junk. Yes, that's a Chrysler airbag. Those are minor details. You don't need to worry about that. It's still going to work. Maybe. I hope. I really, really, really hope. So we're going to get this swapped onto this, and this ugly thing thrown away or sold, whatever anybody wants to do with it. I don't really care. I don't want it anymore. So with that being said, I've got my coffee. I'm going to take a little sip. I'm going to get some energy. And we're going to knock this thing out. I'm hoping to be able to do this in less than 8 minutes. But we shall see. But first things first. Me, what you're going to watch, have to disconnect the battery. Because I'm going to be really, really, really upset if I go to take this airbag off and I get punched in the face with the airbag. It's going to ruin my day and my teeth, which, So let's get it done. All right, so now that we got the battery disconnected, your real first step, other than that, is to go ahead and take this little back piece off that I can't find with my finger. There it is. You're going to take this off using a flathead. Just kind of pop this thing off. This will show you the 10 millimeter bolt, excuse me, and then we'll pop that off, and that'll take the airbag off. What is that? We're gonna act like we didn't see that. Alright, so now you're going to take your 10 millimeter bolt. I'm going to take both sides off. Boom, boom. This will take the airbag out. Hopefully it doesn't smack me in the face. I know I've said that a few times, but it's actually something I'm worried about. All right, it's time to take this airbag out. Yeah. Woo. Okay, yep. There's a bunch of stuff in there. Before I go any further, I'm gonna make sure that my 3/8 hex head fits. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna be pissed. It kind of does. I'm pretty sure it needs to be a 10 millimeter. This is a wee bit loose, and I don't like that because I'm gonna be pissed if I strip this out. So now, what do I do? Do I chance it and maybe strip the bolt, the nut, and then I'm screwed? Or do I put some tape around it, make it a little bit thicker, try again, and just send it? Alright, so I've decided I'm in a send it kind of mood, so I wrapped duct tape not duct tape, electrical tape around my hex head to give it a little bit more girth, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna see if this works. And it is good to go. It is good to go. So now what I gotta do is disconnect this airbag, try not to get punched in the face with it, and then we can rip that sucker out. All right, so you got your two connectors. You got this one here and this one here. Don't ask me what they do because I have no idea. And then you have another connection right here at the tippy top. So you're going to take this little orange thing, little orange whatever it is, and pop it out. Like so. All avoiding getting punched in the face. I've got it faced away from me. And it is out. Okay. So now I'm gonna take my little fingers and hope to. Ha! I did not die. Sweet. Anybody want a Dodge airbag for sale? Or I could blow it up. Do something with it. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. What would you like to see done with this? And no, I'm not sitting on it because that would suck. Alright, so now we gotta disconnect everything else. And then undo this big bolt that's gonna suck because I'm a little guy. That's okay because I got all of the leverage. Alright, next step. Gotta undo these little wires here, and then we will have to undo this bolt. So I've already taken those out. And they're ready to go. Now all we gotta do is try to get this puppy off. That's gonna suck. That's gonna take some oomph. Alright, so update. I'm a little stupid, which is cool. It is what it is. I may have this super awesome extendo breaker bar, but I don't have a step down from a 1/2 inch drive to a 3/8 inch drive. So that sucks because I can't even use it. So leverage out of the window for right now. I got something for that. I'm gonna try to see if my Ryobi impact drill does a job. I seriously doubt it. If it does, I will be extremely shocked. Just as I suspected, this does not work. On to the next one. I'm gonna need another set of hands because this thing keeps turning. I'll be back. All right, so don't have the tools I need, so I gotta go pick those up. And instead of putting everything back the way it should, I'm just gonna roll around with no airbag. It's probably not the smartest thing to do, but I need these tools. So stand by. All right, so we're at the skill center. I have acquired some muscle. This big man right here, he's gonna hold this steering wheel, and we are going to pop this nut off, hopefully.
I definitely was not recording.
Really? You fucking suck, nigga. You suck so much.
We can pretend to do it again.
All this, you know, you missed the whole steering wheel coming off because of this person right here. So, sorry about that. It makes a loud pop and it's a pain in the to get off. Now I just got the center bolt off. I'm gonna take this steering wheel off and put the new one on. And then I'm gonna put a little Loctite on this bad girl so it doesn't come popping off at any time going down the Autobahn. Let's get this thing done. All right, so now we're gonna retighten this thing. Don't ask how many foot-pounds of torque because I have absolutely no idea. I'm just gonna go until my little arms can't go no more.
When he says little, I mean
Little. All right, made it back home. I drove without an airbag on the way home, but it looks 1,000 times better, even without the airbag. I have the airbag right here that I'm about to put on. I already went ahead and ripped off the Chrysler emblem. I've got an emblem coming from, can't remember the name, so I'll put it in the corner because editing. Paddle shifters worked fine. All my buttons worked fine. So let's get this thing on. Alright, so we got it installed. Now I gotta try to turn it on and hope to God that the airbag doesn't hit me in the face. I know I've said that like 4 times, but that's a legitimate worry of mine. So I'm gonna poke my head out. Horn works. Alright, so let's slide you off. Boom. It looked good, don't get me wrong. However, I need to get this emblem replaced because it looks stupid with it off. I took it off thinking that, oh, it won't look that bad, but it looks pretty tacky. Turn around and show you. See? Yep. New emblem for that is coming pretty soon. It should be on its way here, honestly. Well, there it is. I personally like it. I think it looks 1,000 times better than this thing. Grab it in the back. This ugly caravan looking thing. Which reminds me, I have a steering wheel for sale and an airbag if anybody needs it. Or let me know something I can do with the airbag that might be cool or fun. I don't know yet. Guys, it's as easy as that. Super simple to switch the steering wheel out, and it looks way better. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this helped you out on deciding on if you're going to do it or not. And always, have a great day. Check you later.